Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and I'm here in the kitchen today with Colin and Matthew, my two neighbors who love to cook. And today we are trying a French pastry. And what we're making today is called
Gougère!
Gougère. And it's a little cheese puff and it uses a classic French cooking technique. So we are going to put these kids to work making cheese puffs.
Making these scrumptious little cheese rolls begins by making a basic choux pastry. For that, we are going to need a half a cup of butter, a half a cup of milk combined with a half a cup of water, salt, pepper, and paprika to taste, 1 cup of flour, 6 ounces of cheese, and 4 eggs. A sweetened version of a choux pastry can also be made. If we were doing something like cream puffs, we'd be adding some sugar instead of our savory flavorings. But we are making cheese rolls, so we're going to stick with the savory. We're going to heat up our water, milk, and butter, and then we're going to add our salt, pepper, and paprika. We're going to stir it really well and bring it to a nice simmer. We're going to pour in our flour all at once, and then we're going to stir it until a nice paste forms. We're going to continue cooking our paste on the stove top just to cook out the flour, and we're going to do this for just a few minutes, stirring constantly. Our dough then gets transferred to another bowl. And from here we are going to add our eggs in one at a time. This can be done with an electric mixer. When I make these on Sunday mornings, I tend to use a stand mixer, but we're going to let Matthew do the work for us. Then we are going to stir in our cheese. Once the cheese is fully incorporated into the dough, it's then typically transferred to a pastry bag. We don't have a pastry bag, so we are going to just be using a freezer bag, and we're going to snip the end from it. The next step is so simple, even a child can do it. We are going to squeeze the dough from the bag using a spiral motion, and the kids loved this, although they thought that the dough, once it was squeezed from the bag, resembled a poop emoji. Our cheese puffs are then going to bake in a 350-degree oven until they are puffy and golden brown. That's about 10 to 15 minutes.
It's the most best thing in the world.
Yeah.
I just ate my friend.
Service to Queen Elizabeth.
Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For recipes and more videos, go online to PenelCentral.com.